Hi, welcome. Now I will show you how the XOR logical function works. Okay, so XOR logical function is exclusive OR. Okay, in OR, if you have at least one is true, it will return true, as well as both of arguments is true, also it will return true. But in XOR, at least one of any one of condition is true, then it will return true. But if both of them are true, it will return false, and also both of them false, also return false. Okay, it checks exclusively any one of them is true. Okay, if two arguments are passed on. Okay, I will show you this example that I have students and their valuation. For the first professor evaluates the paper as pass, and this particular examination is evaluated twice. Okay, and if the evaluation of first and second is pass, then they no need to go for third evaluation. Okay, third evaluation. Okay, third valuation. If both the professors valuation 1 and valuation 2 or fail, also no need to go for third valuation. But if any one valuation is pass and the other is fail, then it has to go for a third valuation. If the results are totally different, then it has to go for third valuation. Okay, this kind of situation we use XOR. Okay, how to do XOR? I use the XOR. The logical function, I'll check one value B3 is pass, then it is true. Okay, this condition, the same condition I will put it for valuation 2. If any of these two is, one is pass, other is something not equal to pass, then automatically it will get a true. It has to go for third valuation. If both of them are pass, it is false. It should not go for third valuation because both the results are same. Okay, I'll shift the same thing for other cells also. And if it is pass and fail, go for third valuation. Fail and pass, it goes for third valuation true. But pass and pass, that paper should not go for valuation because both results are same, valuation 1 and valuation 2. Similarly, valuation 1 and valuation 2, both of them are failed, also dropped out. It should not go for third valuation. Okay, this is XOR operation. So I hope you understood the XOR operation, and just if you like my videos, kindly press subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos. Good day and God bless you.